Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yemi, the son of Olushola, aka Dr.Sayemi. And once again, I'm welcoming you back to my podcast. Presently, this month of September, I'm enlightening people vis-a-vis what they call chronic diseases. And I've tried to give a definition of chronic disease in my last broadcast, that any sickness that you are handling for more than 1 year and it still persists is called chronic disease. For example, those who have high blood pressure, those who have diabetes, they live on medication for life. And I've said, according to WHO, they said the world statistics shows that 74% of the deaths that occur in a year is attributed to chronic diseases. And when we talk about global statistics, 41 million people die from non-communicable diseases. That is disease that cannot affect another person. For example, when they have heart-related problem, if you go near the person, it cannot contaminate you. If somebody is having diabetes, that you go near the person, it doesn't contaminate you. Those are what they call non-communicable diseases. Are you getting me now? And that they said 41 million people die on a yearly basis from that kind of death. And now, by the time you look at these statistics, you'll be able to know that what we are discussing here is not a joke. It's something that everybody should take serious. And why am I running this podcast? I'm trying to reveal to you these statistics so that you will be able to know how to prevent, and if you are already having, don't see them as the end of the world. What they call chronic, in orthodox balance, there's nothing like chronic disease when they talk about natural remedy, and you can reverse every form of diseases if you learn to live well and naturally. That's just the point. Now, when they talk about things that kill people all over the world, still talking about non-communicable diseases. The common chronic diseases are these. Number one, you talk about cardiovascular disease. That is anything that has to do with the heart. That's what they call cardiovascular. And there will be a set of global deaths, with 17.9 million deaths annually are attributed to what? Cardiovascular related diseases. Then followed by cancer. Cancer is 60% of global death, with 9.3 million deaths annually. God forbid that thing. When even cancer, it has gone beyond what we call chronic disease. It is termed under that term terminal disease. Then respiratory, inability to breathe, and not the rest of that, is 7% of global deaths, with 4.1 million deaths annually. Then diabetics. When we talk about diabetics, we are talking about 4% of global deaths, with over 103,000 deaths in the US alone in 2021. All these things can be as devastating as that. But what are the attributes? What is common with this thing? Number one, it makes you to live on medication for life. Number two, it changes your lifestyle. You will have to be restricted. Don't eat this, don't do that, all that kind of a thing. Number three, you can suffer withdrawal. Number four, it creates anxiety. Then number five, they said it can be genetical. That if your father, your mother, anybody has it, then you might have it. That is what orthodox medicine says. Are you getting me? But all these things are what we are going to be looking at here. And in the course of this podcast, follow me, like, and share. Until I come your way again, Yemi, the son of Olushola, aka Dr. Sayemi. Thank you.